cuties! So today I'm going to be applying my hair extensions. These are tape-in and they're 22 inch and they're from BP Fashion. So first I'm taking two Sharpies, one in like a silver grey colour and one in a red colour, and I'm just colouring in the top tape section so when it's applied to my head it blends with my hair better. Then I am combing through the extensions and then sectioning off the first part of my hair. I always start with the back of my head. I just find it easier to figure out how many pieces I'm going to need and where I want to apply everything. When I've separated the first section, I then just take my first piece and I apply it straight to the parting. I press down firmly and then I flip up that section and any hairs that are stuck to it. And then I sandwich any hairs in between with a second piece. I squeeze those two pieces together and then flip the hair back down and then do this with the rest of my head. and when I'm happy with them all, I just take my hair straighteners and I go over the top tape section of them and I just quickly press down, and this just helps seal the glue in and make sure they stay in your hair longer. And finally, I just trim my extensions to blend them in with my hair a bit more, and if you'd like to see how I do that, then click this video just here. And these are the results. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Hope you have a beautiful day. Bye bye.